Getting your Shopify store to show up on Google is not a mystery. It is a clear SEO process. Most owners struggle because they focus only on design while ignoring how search engines and AI assistants actually find them. By following a path from technical basis to building real authority, you can turn a quiet store into a busy one without guessing. To get there, you have to build from the ground up, and it all starts with making sure your site is actually ready to be ranked. Step 1. The technical foundation. Before you invite guests to a party, you make sure the house is ready. In SEO, this is your foundation. Shopify handles a lot of this for you, but you still have to check the details. Start with your site speed. If a page takes too long to load, visitors will leave before seeing your products. You can help this by using smaller image files. Every image on your Shopify store has a place for alt text. This is a simple description that helps Google understand what the picture is. If you sell a vintage leather bag, the alt text should say exactly that. Next, look at your mobile view. Most people shop on their phones today. Open your store on your phone. If the buttons are hard to click or the text is too small, your rankings will suffer. A site that is easy to navigate on a phone is a site that Google likes to recommend. Once your store is technically ready, the next step is to fill it with information that helps you stand out. Step 2. On-page content for humans and bots. Search engines read the words on your pages to decide where you belong. This is why you avoid using the basic product descriptions provided by manufacturers. When every store uses the same text, no one stands out. Writing your own descriptions allows you to use the words your customers actually type into a search bar. If you sell organic dog treats, that phrase belongs in your page title and the first paragraph of your description. A blog is also a powerful tool. It lets you answer questions that lead people to your products. For example, if you sell fitness gear, an article about how to choose the right yoga mat helps people find you even before they're ready to buy. This builds a digital footprint that shows you are an expert in your niche. But even with great articles, your store needs others to vouch for you before search engines will truly trust your brand. Step 3. Building authority with Medialister. This is often the part where SEO feels impossible. You can have a perfect site, but without authority, you stay on page 10. Authority comes from other trusted websites linking to yours. In the past, this meant sending hundreds of emails to websites, hoping for a reply that almost never came. And this is where Medialister changes the game. It is an all-in-one gateway for quality media placements that lets you select, plan, buy, and control media placements across over 100,000 outlets worldwide from a single dashboard. Think of it as a professional-grade tool for reputation builders. It replaces dozens of separate negotiations, emails, and invoices with one simple, transparent process. And the result will be fast. Why authority matters for AI. The way people search is changing. It is no longer just about blue links on a screen. People now use AI assistants like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. These AI models learn from the open web. If your brand is not mentioned in credible, trusted media, the AI simply will not know you. Medialister helps you secure paid media coverage that feeds these large language models, LLMs. Appearing in high-quality publications with your paid media placements makes you part of the AI knowledge base and therefore appear in the answers that AI provides to Googled questions. This ensures your Shopify store is visible in both traditional search and the new world of conversational AI. The Zero Outreach Playbook. For a Shopify owner, an effective way to use Medialister is the replicate and rise strategy. You don't need to guess which sites are good. Instead, you follow the data. Identify competitors. Find 3 to 5 stores that are similar to yours and ranking well. Analyze their links. Use an SEO tool to see which websites are already linking to them. Bulk search on Medialister. Take that list of websites and drop it into the bulk search feature on Medialister. Instant access. The platform immediately shows you which of those sites are available for placements. This streamlined process replaces the old runaround of manual outreach. You get a guaranteed placement on a massive network of outlets, ranging from niche blogs to premium publications. Transparency and control. One of the biggest benefits here is transparency. In many cases, you never really know what you're paying for or when it will happen. With Medialister, you see upfront pricing before you commit. There are no hidden costs or middleman margins. You pay for the placements plus a 10% commission. You also maintain full control over the process. You can track every step from the moment you place an order to the second it goes live, which usually takes between 3 to 10 days. If a site declines your content, you get an automatic refund. This makes it a professional-grade tool that provides equal access for every strategy and budget. Now, if you have already decided to try Medialister, the link is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. But more importantly, there is a significant bonus for you. If you use that specific link and spend $2,500 within first 30 days, you will get $250 in cashback. It's essentially a 10% bonus that effectively offsets the service fee for your Shopify authority building campaign. So if you're scaling your store's visibility, make sure you grab that link to keep that extra budget in your pocket. Now, let's get into the specific content formats that will help you dominate your niche. Step 4, creating a repeatable content engine. Building authority works best when you have a steady flow of quality content. You can use simple, high-impact formats that fit a Shopify store. Product drops. Announce your newest collections or limited editions. Gift guides. Create lists like the best 10 gifts for outdoor lovers to capture shoppers looking for ideas. Educational guides. Explain your materials or process, like the difference between silk and satin. Customer stories. Share how your products helped a real person or business. When you publish these through Medialister, you aren't just getting a link. You are creating content with measurable impact on your brand awareness. You can start small with a few targeted outlets and then use the platform to run easily scalable campaigns as your budget grows. Now, growing fast only works if you grow the right way. To keep your store ranking for years to come, you need to follow the official rules of the web. Step 5. SEO safety and standards. Long-term success in SEO depends on following the rules. Search engines want to see that your content has credibility. This is why Medialister focuses on high-quality editorial placements that index well and last longer. To stay safe, it is a standard practice to use rel equals sponsored or no-follow tags for paid content. This keeps your store compliant with official policies and prevents penalties. Managing your anchor texts, the clickable words in a link, is also vital. Using only keyword-heavy words like buy cheap shoes can look unnatural. Instead, a mix of your brand name and neutral phrases like visit the store creates a safer, more sustainable profile. This approach prioritizes reputation and long-term growth over a quick ranking spike. Conclusion: SEO for a Shopify website is a journey, not a quick fix. By focusing on a fast site, good content, and a reliable way to build authority, you can successfully compete with much larger brands. Medialister provides the efficiency and effectiveness needed to handle the complex part of the job. Because they are a partner to reputable media publishers globally and have over 15 years of experience, they offer the credibility your store needs to grow safely. They give you equal access to the world's media, letting you build a reputation that both humans and AI will recognize. Alright, so if you found this video helpful and are planning to try Medialister, remember to use my link in the description. It locks in that $250 cashback bonus to help offset your first campaign. But I want to hear from you. Which of your competitors would you love to spy on and outrank first? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.